Do you know out of global 500 companies, how many companies do have a female CEO?
नहीं.
The number is astonishing. It's 23. So talking in percentage term, 23 divided by 500, it's 4.6%, approx 5%. I'm not a mathematics genius. I've calculated this 4.6% before and only. Now talking about US companies, out of these global 500 companies, there are 120 US companies which are basically called fortune companies. 120 का figure, I'm not taking any round figure. Last data जो देखे थे उसमें 120 था. There are 12 female CEOs. So talking in percentage term, it would be 12 divided by 120 equal to 10%. Now talking about other 380 companies, 500 global minus 120 US companies, majority of which are Chinese companies, around 132, followed by Japan, France, Germany, UK. There are 11 female CEOs. So talking in percentage term, it would be 11 divided by 380 equal to 2.9%, roughly around 3%. Calculated this before and only. Disclaimer.
अरे देवा, ये गड़बड़ है बाबा.
That's why I consider USA quite progressive in some sense, because of female working in a US company and having that Jill and Jess has 3 times more chances of becoming a CEO than working in a non-US company. Then I kind of did some research to find out the reason behind the scene, and one of the main reason is that they do have to take extended breaks from their career when they're about to start a family. And taking a break can be quite daunting in some sense, because I myself is working in a company, so I know that coming back have its own sets of challenges. Like they have to regain their confidence back, their skills get outdated, and that's why they are most likely to lag behind their male counterparts in terms of salary, wages, growth, or positions, etc. I personally believe that whether it is a male or a female, both are same only and should be judged on the basis of their competence.
अच्छा, हमको सिखा रिया है.
And I myself is very blessed to be born in a family where females are not marginalized or made to feel apologetic about their dreams or ambition. And I can proudly say that all the girls in a family, whether it is from maternal or paternal family, are much more smarter and better than all the boys in our family. And if I consider myself Aman 1.0, they would be like Aman 2.0 or 2.0, what it is exactly called, I don't know.
कितने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास, कितने शानदार विचार रखते हैं जी.
And I believe that this world would have been no different if it would have been controlled by a female also. And to attract the female audience in this channel, I would say that it would have been better only. Just kidding, I mean it from my heart. And chalo, do like, share and subscribe, and do comment ki what are your thoughts, and bye.
के एड़ चाले में तो सीधी चाले चलूं, टेढ़ी चाल तेरी आदत है. भीड़ चाल क्योंकि लालच है, जुबान के पक्के नहीं, भरोसा कागज पे. भाई बड़ी सबको भाई बना सबको, चलना छोड़े थोड़ा आहिस्ता.